Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 52 how to block an account on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dot, click on the application itself called GRIDS, and then go to the account you wish to block. For this tutorial, I will be using my other account, and so then I can now go to the DMs, go to my other account, click on this account, and this account itself is actually private, so I cannot see my own photos. Go to the right top corner of the application itself where we have the three dots, click on this and then block. Yes, we can block the account, so if we refresh, go back to the home page, my profile, go back to the DMs. The DM for that other account is no longer available as the account itself has been blocked. I can no longer search for the account, send them a message now as I have blocked the account. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.